Welcome to MRA Passive Income Playbook, your gateway to financial wisdom and the pursuit of prosperity. MRA invites you to join a community on the path to financial empowerment, incorporating the principles that lead to passive income success, so you can acquire financial freedom for yourself. Discover an easy route to prosperity as we intertwine beginner-friendly financial tips with cherished family values inspired by Warren Buffett's quotes. This isn't just a channel, it's a playbook for financial transformation. Shiba Inu Coin has been making headlines recently. According to a recent article by Forbes, the price of Shiba Inu Coin has increased by 3.81% over the past 24 hours and is currently trading at $0.00001. In another article by CoinGape, it was reported that Shiba Inu Coin has entered a new correction phase in mid-December, when the price reverted from a high of $0.00012 to $0.00009. Please note that we are not financial advisors, and this information is for educational purposes only. It is important to conduct thorough research and seek professional advice before making any investment decisions. Let's dive deeper into the world of Shiba Inu Coin. After the recent surge, many are curious about what's driving this trend and what the future holds for this cryptocurrency. Firstly, let's look at some recent developments. Shiba Inu Coin has been gaining more mainstream acceptance. It was recently listed on major cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, which has significantly increased its accessibility. This exposure has led to an influx of new investors, contributing to the coin's price surge. Secondly, the factors influencing the price of Shiba Inu Coin are multifaceted. The overall bullish market sentiment towards cryptocurrencies is a major factor. Moreover, the coin's strong community, often referred to as the Shiba Army, plays a significant role in pushing its popularity. Their active online presence and promotional activities have been instrumental in driving the coin's value. Lastly, let's discuss the future prospects of Shiba Inu Coin. Some experts believe that the coin's growth is just beginning, while others caution that it's a speculative asset with high volatility. It's crucial to note that investing in cryptocurrencies carries inherent risks, and it's important to do your due diligence. Stay tuned for more updates on Shiba Inu Coin. Remember, the world of cryptocurrencies is ever evolving, and it's essential to stay informed. In the next segment, we will discuss how to engage with us further on this topic. Keep watching. Thank you for watching MRA Passive Income Playbook. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any thoughts, questions, or ideas, please share them with us in the comment section below. We would love to hear from you and share your insights with the rest of the community. Also, if you would like to send us a picture of you watching this channel, we would be glad to put it in our upcoming videos to give you a special thanks. As we wrap up, here are 3 questions to engage with us about Shiba Inu Coin. 1. What do you think is driving the recent price increase of Shiba Inu Coin? 1. Do you think Shiba Inu Coin is a good investment opportunity? 1. What other cryptocurrencies are you interested in learning more about? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to spread the wisdom. Let's rock and roll. Before we wrap up, I'd like to share something exciting with you. Proud to be an influencer for NVIDIA, a leading force in the world of technology, is not only a pioneer in the gaming industry, but also a major player in the development of cryptocurrency mining technology. If you're interested in technology and the future of finance, I highly recommend checking them out. Connected with me and NVIDIA by checking out the links below. Your support is greatly appreciated, and it helps us continue providing you with the latest and greatest in the world of finance. Let's continue on this journey of financial empowerment together. You for your support. And now, to ensure you don't miss out on any updates, let's get you connected. To follow my journey and get real-time updates, you can follow me on Twitter. The link is down in the description box. If you're more of a professional networking person, feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn. You'll find my profile link below as well. And of course, for all the tech enthusiasts out there, do check out NVIDIA. Their innovative technology is truly shaping the future of finance and gaming. Find the link to their official website in the description. Looking forward to connecting with you all. Until next time, keep investing wisely and remember, knowledge is the real currency.